Well guys, we got a problem. If you watched the last video, you know that we broke the truck. We broke it bad. But that's not actually today's problem. Today's problem, how am I gonna get this joker home? I mentioned that breaking the truck wasn't today's problem. Today's problem is getting it home. When it broke last week, I couldn't get it on the trailer. I had some good buddies and some good help, but man, that broken rear end or whatever we got going on, it was not happy trying to get on the trailer. We're headed down to the track now to see if we can get this joker picked up, loaded up and back home so we can actually diagnose the problems, because the more I look at the video, the more I'm afraid I'm not sure it's just centered around the rear end. I think that we might have more problems than that, but I'm not sure. No promises, I'm not sure. But for now, let's go get the truck. Well, there he is. Poor old Clifford. Had to leave him here over the weekend. Poor buddy's been a good soldier, and we just left him out here. It may have taken us a couple days, but there is no soldier left behind. We are here to retrieve him, get him picked up if we can. Maybe that'll work. It was going to be a struggle to get this guy up. I had a Christmas party to go to. I was already running late for it. There was just a lot of moving pieces involved with that, and the best thing that we could do was leave him here. Alright, we got the Winter Dew hooked up. Got the new Harbor Freight Special up there mounted up. This should do the job. Rear end's not making too good of noises. It's been clanking and locking and moved it a few feet, but maybe it'll pull it up on the trailer. Let's see. Made it on there. Thanks to the help of my boy Colton. What'd you do? You get to dry the boat?
I got to dry the boat.
Oh man. Was it making bad noises back here? The rear end was popping and stuff? Yeah. Didn't sound good, did it?
Center a little too hard.
Yeah, so Colton is he's one of the track prep guys here, pretty much the track prep guy here at Emerald Coast Dragway. He's actually out there now doing some scraping and stuff. He had this surface on point last weekend whenever we ended up killing this thing. It's all his fault. Whatever's broken, it's all Colton's fault. I'm gonna send him the bill.
I'm sending you the bill.
Yeah, no, I'm sending you. You broke it.
That's not my fault.
Glad we got it up on the trailer. Got to get it home now. Figure out exactly what's wrong with it, so we can get back out here and break it again. It's just what you do. Oh yeah. Testing pins. So unfortunately, we're not going to be able to diagnose exactly what's wrong with it straight away because our shop is full. That's going to be the next thing. My brother-in-law picked up a brand new dirt car that he's going to be working on. Another hunting truck that's in there on the lift, getting the trans. The outside lift is taken up, so it's going to be a few days. So I'm just as eager as you guys are to figure out exactly what's wrong with this, but you're going to have to bear with me. The biggest struggle today was just getting this thing picked up, so thankfully we got that wrapped up. It's going to make it back home just fine. The winch did perfect. I am pumped, and getting a little nervous about what we might find. There's some noises and some things going on that maybe you guys heard getting this thing loaded up that a little concerning. And that's gonna do it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm Diggin Z71. We will see you next time. Remember to always hustle and race anyway.